Okay, question 12a, complete table 12 for the equation by writing down the values of y when x negative 3 and x equal to 1. Okay, so when x is equal to negative 3, so substitute the value of x. We have negative 3 cube plus 2 negative 3 square minus 5 times negative 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So y is 0. And then when x is equal to 1, substitute plus 2, 1 square minus 5 times 1 minus 6 is equal to y is equal to negative 8. Okay, so complete for 12a. Okay, B, for this part of question, use graph paper. Okay, so 2 cm to 1 unit for x-axis and 2 cm to 10 unit for y-axis. Okay, so this is x-axis and this is the y-axis. Here is 0 and then 2 cm to 1 on x-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 10, 20, 30, 2 cm to 10 for y-axis, 70, 60, 50, 40, and then negative 10, negative 20, negative 30. Okay, now we can plot the graph. So first is negative 4, negative 18. So negative 4, negative 18 is here. Okay, negative 3 is 0. Negative 2 is 4. So negative 2, 4 is here. Negative 1 at 0. Okay, 0 at negative 6. So here. And then 1, negative 8. Negative 8. 2, 0. 3 is 24. And lastly, 4 at 70. Okay, now we can draw the graph. Make sure it pass all the plot that you draw on the graph. Okay, done. Okay, see from the graph, find the value of y when x is negative 1.5 and the value of x when y 55. Okay, so rewrite. We need to look for value of y when x is at negative 1.5 on the graph, and then the value of x when y is at 55. Okay, first negative 1.5x. So plot up to the line and to the right to y-axis, and we'll get y is at 3, and then y55. So y55 is here. So we're going to plot to the right. Make sure it touch the line. Okay, and then we're going to plot down to find the value of x. So it's around here. So okay, so when we plot down on my graph, I have x is at 3.9. Alright, D. Draw a suitable straight line on the graph to find the values of x which satisfy this equation. State the values of x. Okay, so remember our first equation from the question 12a. We have y equal to x cubed plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6. Compare with this equation, plus 2x square minus 8x minus 3. Use elimination method. We get y equal to, reject 2x square, reject. Here we have 3x, negative 6 plus 3, negative 3. Okay, so from here, let's say if y is equal to 0. So substitute into the equation. X we get 1. So we have 0.10. And then if y is equal to 2, 3x minus 3 equal to 2. So x is 5/3, or in point form 1.67. So now we have 1.67 at y2. So now we have two coordinates to draw the straight line. So 1, 0 and 1.67 at y2. Okay, now we can draw the straight line to get the values of x. So we're going to have two values of x from this graph. Okay, so x here. Okay, so our first x will be negative values. So here we have, first we have x is equal to negative 0.5, and another one is here, which is x is at 2.2.